Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, in this question, inshallah, I will present a problem-solving presentation entitled Solving the Plastic Waste Problem from Crisis to Action. Why? The plastic waste crisis threatens our planet's future, but innovative solutions and collective actions offer hope. From groundbreaking technologies to policy changes and individual choices, we can transform this environmental challenge into an opportunity for positive change. Okay, let's start from the first. This is the global threat of the plastic waste across the globe, across the world of Earth. There are 300 million tons of plastic produced annually worldwide, with production rates continuing to increase year over year. And 14 million tons of plastic waste enter the oceans every year, equivalent to dumping a garbage truck of plastic into the ocean every minute. And the next, plastics took 500 years to decompose. Maximum time for plastic to break down, releasing harmful toxins and greenhouse gases. That is 500 years. And lastly, 80% land-based sources of marine plastic pollution originates from terrestrial waste management failures. According to scientists, by 2025, scientists predict that oceans may contain more plastic than fish by weight, a staggering reality that demands immediate action. The scale of the crisis extends beyond numbers, representing a fundamental threat to marine ecosystems and global environmental health. The human and environmental toll. Marine life impact. There are a lot of marine life impacts. The first, there are sea turtles. Sea turtles mistake plastic bags for jellyfish. Seabirds feed, and there are also seabirds that mistakes plastic as their food. So seabirds feed plastic fragments to their chicks, and whales die with stomachs full of debris. Over 700 marine species are affected by plastic pollution, with many facing extinction risks due to ingestion and entanglement of plastic wastes that are spread across the seas and ocean. Among the impact, there are entanglement in fish nets and plastic debris, ingestions of microplastic affecting reproduction of marine animals, and habitat destruction in coral reefs and coastal areas. Other than marine life impact, there are also human health concerns. Microplastic now contaminate our drinking water, food supply, and even the air we breathe. These tiny particles carry toxic chemicals and may disrupt hormonal systems, potentially causing cancer, reproductive issues, and developmental problems in children. Some issues or some concerns that are related to human health are microplastics found in seafood and table salt. First, contamination of drinking water sources, and airborne plastic particles in urban environments. The economic toll is equally devastating. Plastic pollution damages fisheries worth billions, destroy tourism destinations, and cost coastal communities millions in cleanup efforts. The interconnected nature of this impact demonstrates why comprehensive solutions are essential and are urgent in today's world. Let's start from our individual self first. There are a few individual actions that can make a difference in this plastic waste overload in our Earth, in our planet. First, we can use reusable alternatives such as single-use. We replace single-use plastic with durable options like canvas shopping bags, stainless steel water bottles, and ceramic coffee cups. One reusable bag can replace hundreds of plastic bags over its lifetime. Second, we can use a tap water choice. Avoid bottled water by investing in quality filtration systems and reusable bottles. Americans alone use 50 billion plastic water bottles annually, most ending up in landfills or oceans. And very small percentage of those bottles are being reproduced again into a bottle. Or in other words, only some of them got recycled. Next, there are also microbead-free products, that is, choose cosmetics and personal care products with natural exfoliants like oatmeal or sugar instead of plastic microbeads that wash down drains into waterways. And the next, home cooking. Why? This can reduce takeout packaging waste by cooking more meals at home. Food packaging represents nearly 40% of all plastic waste, making home cooking a powerful reduction strategy. Next, there are also innovative scientific solutions. First, NASA made a satellite tracking device. NASA satellite tracking device is an advanced satellite technology maps ocean plastic concentrations in real time, enabling targeted cleanup efforts and tracking pollution sources. This data helps optimize resource allocation for maximum impact in removing plastic debris. Second, there are plastic-eating enzymes. Scientists have discovered engineered enzymes that can break down PET plastic in hours rather than centuries. Researchers are also developing plastic-consuming mushrooms and bacteria that could revolutionize waste processing. And the third, chemical conversion. Innovative technologies transforms plastic waste, or as in other words, reuse plastic waste into valuable materials like fuel, chemicals, and new plastics. Magnetic coil system and advanced recycling processes are making it economically viable to process previously non-recyclable plastics. Okay, next, policy and community efforts. First, there are legislative support. Advocate for comprehensive legislation like the Break Free from Plastic Pollution Act, and support international agreements including the Global Plastic Treaty. These policies create systemic change beyond individual actions. Second, producer responsibility. Other than the consumer responsibility, producer actually also has a lot of responsibility. Champion extended producer responsibility, or also known as EPR, laws that hold manufacturers accountable for their products' entire life cycle. This shifts the burden from consumers and taxpayers to companies that create plastic packaging. The third, there are also local programs. Participate actively in community recycling programs and proper waste segregation. Understanding local guidelines and contamination contamination prevention helps maximize recycling effectiveness and reduces processing costs. And the fourth is community cleanups. We can organize or join local cleanup events targeting beaches, rivers, and urban areas. These efforts prevents plastic waste from reaching waterways while building community awareness and environmental stewardship. The last but not least, there are business and institutional roles. First, there are sustainable operations. Companies must transition to reusable, recycle, and or repairable plastic products across all operations. This includes redesigning packaging, switching to biodegradable materials, and eliminating necessary plastic components from products and processes. Second, there are employee education. Comprehensive staff training programs on plastic waste reduction create organizational culture change. When employees understand the impact and solutions, they become advocates for sustainable practice both at work and their personal lives. The next, there are innovation investment. Business should invest in research and development of sustainable packaging solutions and support circular economy models. This includes funding startups, partnering with universities, and adopting new technologies as they become available. And the last, there is collaborative partnership. Strategic alliances with environmental organizations, government agencies, and other businesses amplify the impact. This partnership can drive industry-wide standards, share best practices, and create large-scale solutions that individual companies cannot achieve alone. Okay. So yeah, our role in the solution is to start today to reduce plastic waste in our everyday lives. Minimally, we can use a ware or tools that are reusable and not one-time use or single-use plastics. I believe together we can turn this problem into a chance to create a more better future for our planet. Okay, maybe that's all from me. I do apologize if I made any mistakes during delivering this presentation. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.